Sweet. Awesome. You get a picture? Got him. Cool. Sweet. It's a bass. Or crappie. Oh, it's a bass, yes. Bass, baby. Awesome. That's awesome. Cool. I don't even want to let him go. Beautiful. Ooh. Nice bass. Saw something swell up on it. On a swim dinger. Jeez. There you go. Sweet! I am talking about. Did you guys just see that? What's going on out here? I'm gonna have to put this guy down and get back to fishing. Wow. That's awesome. Cool. Big old pickerel. Sheesh. That was a nice one. Cool. It's a good fish. I'm gonna have to let him go. Nice size pickerel. Sweet. Nice little crappie. Cool, go and go. Cool. Cool. Sweet. Little bass. Good way to end it. Awesome way to end it. I'm gonna let him go after getting a picture, and I'm probably gonna put my kayak back in the truck and head home. I got work later on today, so that's gonna be fun. But should be able to upload a video later on, so if everyone wants to stay tuned for that, I'm gonna let this guy go. Alright guys, I'm paddling into the ramp for the day. Like I said, I got work later on, so I gotta go home, shower up, and get changed for that. I should be able to upload and edit my video later on. So, like I said, I'm going to try my best to upload it to YouTube. Not too late. But, yeah, had a great day out here. Caught some bass, caught some pickerel. You know, that's really all I was really targeting. So, mission accomplished on that front. If you guys are still watching the video and you guys like it, please make sure to, hit the thumbs up button, share, and subscribe. If you find anything informative or useful throughout the video, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. It really would mean a lot to me. With that being said, stay tuned to upcoming videos and content. And you guys have a good night, and I'll catch you guys later on.